Chair and fellow delegates, despite limited resources, Pakistan has taken stringent measures to control the spread of coronavirus. Due to many seasonal outbreaks, we also experience an intense burden of other infectious diseases every year. However, we have launched a series of initiatives to enhance the health of the community and reduce the prevalence of communicable diseases. When the first few cases of COVID-19 were confirmed, the designs of hospitals, awareness campaigns, and quarantine facilities were declared by the government. We feel that thinking about strategies to reduce disease transmission was a big concept that helped us. Despite our best efforts, we are still short on resources and have inadequate infrastructure for upcoming pandemics. As a result, I would like to appeal that all nations aid Pakistan and provide ideas on how to enhance our healthcare system so that together we can find a way to deal with the upcoming pandemics. Thank you.